I'm Doyle Elder with Southwire Contractor Equipment, and today I'm going to show you how to change out the washer kit on the BENDstation Pro. That'll help you maintain the proper tension on the bender head. First, we're going to remove the side plate. These are all just common tools most electricians will have. We'll leave that all together and just set it aside. Next, we'll remove the bolt and nut. Take the nut off. We'll remove these old washers. Slide off the bender head. Okay, we'll take this back washer off. We'll discard it. Clean the grease off of the back, this back wall. We'll install the new friction washer. The bender head goes next. Next, the Belleville washers. You'll want to apply a little bit of grease, light grease, to the points of the Bellevilles and then put them point to point just like this. Next, the flat washer and then the nut. Now we'll adjust this tension. And that needs a fair amount of tension, but not overly tight. That feels real close. Now if this bolt hole is just a little bit tight, you can take a 3/16 drill bit, clean that out just a little bit. That should do it. Bolt will go right in and retighten the nut. Now we'll reinstall the bender handle. We'll get these good and snug. And now we're ready to go back to work.